Welcome to Health Plans Today. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Take this drink before bed and melt all the fat you have consumed during the day. In this video we will show you a recipe that is the best you can consume to burn fat while you sleep. Drinking this mixture at bedtime will stimulate the body and cause it to burn fat like never before. This process is not natural and you need to stimulate the function of the digestive system and accelerate the metabolism in order to help the body to burn fat. That is what you get when you take it. The body can burn fat during the night while you sleep, so the more you sleep the better it is for the body. This mixture of ingredients is the perfect combination to accelerate the metabolism of your body so that it can burn fat faster. Each night before going to bed, drinking this mixture will make you eliminate everything you have eaten during the day, because this recipe melts all the fat you ingested in 8 hours. The main function of this drink is to help our body to eliminate toxins and accelerate our metabolism, and the best thing about this is that it does not cause side effects, but it strengthens our body. Ingredients: 1 bunch of parsley, 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon honey or ginger, 1 sprig of cinnamon or a teaspoon of this powder, 1/2 liter of water. Preparation: all you have to do is put these ingredients together in a blender and consume the drink before going to bed, instead of having dinner. Regular consumption of this drink promotes fat burning like you've never seen before, and its results are amazing. Start consuming it so that you also have incredible results. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.